Hey folks, it's 1881 MF here on the Life Buzzin' channel, and I'm just acting like I'm hiking. I'm really not. I got a new stove, and I'm hungry. So I want to test it. Come with me. Alright. So, let me show you this new stove. Look out, bud.
Here, newbie.
So this is what we're gonna eat. Walmart special, $4.50, I think.
Ooh.
So I kind of want to test it. Okay. And here's what I wanted to show everybody. Newbert, come over here, buddy. Sorry, folks.
Goodness.
Have you seen one of these?
Uh-oh.
This is a BioLite stove. So it comes with, basically, you put your wood, small wood, twigs, pine cones in there, and you start it, and then this little contraption, which kind of slides in the back here, like so, kind of locks down in that leg. Then you open this leg up. Now, if you notice right under here, there's a plug for USB. So if you start the fire in there, it makes enough electricity to charge your USB device. So we're going to try it. Comes with fire starter sticks. So we'll try that. Try one of these.
Nice shoes.
You like those? Okay, so I'm just going to use matches. Newbert, you're going to get burned, friend. You're going to get burned. I'm telling you. You're not going to like it. So now I like this. Put that in there like that. Meantime, I'm going to get my pot out. And my water. Actually, it has a little piece with it.
That's what fell off first.
Yeah, no, here it is. And this pops on here to help you hold your pot. So, and then your pot sits on there like that. And then there's a power button over here.
Oh.
Which you can turn it on, and that blows enough air to keep your fire circulating to boil your water. So, stay tuned. We're going to let that water boil, and we'll show you how long it's going to go. I'm going to check my time here. Okay, I think it's going to take like 4 or 5 minutes to boil, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Look down inside there. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and oh yeah, that's a heavy rolling boil. And
Heavy rolling.
as you can see, my phone here, can you see that little right there? It shows where it's being charged. See on that? It's upside down, but it's being charged, people. And that's just little scraps of wood. So now, this recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of water, so I'm going to do And this says to pour the water in here, stir it let it sit for 4 or 5 minutes, and then stir it again and let it sit for 9 minutes. Don't eat that. So we're eating sweet and sour pork. So that must be the pork.
Interesting.
That must be the sour. So we're gonna dump our water in there.
Where's the sweet?
See, there's that water in there. Mix it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna let it sit. But since I have a minute to let that sit, I figured I'd show you what's in my pack. This right here is my sleeping pack. This is my cooking pack. Oh yeah, this is my shooting pack. My Marlin SR22 breakdown. Haha, not Marlin for all you guys, I was just checking. This is my Ruger 1022. #1 selling firearm in the world. If you don't have one, you should probably look into getting one of those. I have that with me everywhere I go. This is my normal stove that I use when I'm backpacking and stuff. It's one of these little MSR jet stoves. You can boil water in minutes with one of those. I have the regular pot with the gas and that. And here, oh look here. Might as well have a cup of coffee while I wait. My extra water.
What's that little coffee pack?
I think it's Starbucks.
That's nifty.
I still have a
Newbert's
little bit
pushing
of
me out
water
of the
here.
way.
Look out, Newbert, you're going to get hot. I'll make me a cup of coffee while I'm at it. And then also in my pack, this is my first aid. So I have a first aid pack that's full of all kinds of extra stuff that I've added myself. Kind of a survival. It's got matches and whistles and compass and some extra strings and stuff like that. Flashlight. Weather radio. Never hurts to have one of those. A little pair of pliers. And then I have some tinder, some char, which is charred coal, helps to light a fire, a little hand saw, magnesium stick. In my stove I also have this foil that goes around and blocks the wind if you want. What else
Spill your coffee.
Oh, yeah, there it goes. Sorry, babe. In this front pocket here, it's a snorkel.
A snorkel?
It's for fresh water.
In case you want to go snorkeling.
This is another weather radio. You ever seen one of these? No batteries required. Crank it.
Well,
It's kind of handy to have. Not top of the line, but you know what? In case of emergency, it's pretty nice to have. And then my sidearm. Here, I'll show you my sidearm real quick. Cool thing is,
what?
that's also a 22
Is that all
long
there is?
rifle. And that goes with this one here.
Oh my gosh.
And I shoot the 22 long rifle quiets out of it. Gotta have your protection, people. And then in this one here, this is my sleeping pack. This video's getting kind of long.
It's
I'll go
interesting
quick.
stuff.
Okay, so in here I have, this is just a tarp, poncho type deal. rubber. I have my hammock. A couple of these cool little 5x7 tarps. These are very handy. And then here's all my gear for hanging my hammock and stuff. My tree huggers and my rings and all my bungees that I need. This is all I need to hang my hammock on the tree safely without ruining the tree. Let's see what's in this pocket here. Crown. Not really. These are just all my different stakes and stuff that I use for my hammock.
Nice bag.
Different hammock for all. You can hang up the tarps and everything with that. And then in my food pouch over here, of course you saw me.
Oh dear.
Those little fire starters, and I have this is a little flint. This is a little sparker, you know. That's what that is. And then a spork. So, meanwhile, back to chow. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Stir this up again. Oh, that's gonna be delicious.
Newbert thinks so too. Nice.
So again, that's the freeze-dried sweet and sour pork. 12 grams of protein. Got that at Walmart for $4.50. This stuff goes till like 2000. What do we got a date on there? December 2026.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so
Crazy numbers.
this is great for your pack. So anyways, let's do the test.
Newbert approves.
It's actually very good, folks.
It looks yummy.
So, this is a cool, come back around here, baby. Newbert, get out of here. This is a cool little stove. Not only did I boil my water for my dinner and my coffee, I used minimal fuel, and I charged my phone up all at the same time. So, that was $129, believe it or not, at Bass Pro. Kind of pricey. I'll let you know how long it lasts. So, thank you, folks. 1881 MF on the Life Buzzin' channel. Newbert, Little Debbie behind the camera. Stay tuned for more fun.